take a picture of me while I was snoring.
While you were snoring?
Uh-huh.
I didn't know if you were doing it for real, or if you were pretending, or if you were asleep or awake.
I was asleep.
If you were asleep, then how come you looked at me right away?
I opened my eyes and I thought it was Daddy.
So were you really awake?
No, I was really asleep.
Were you pretending to snore?
No.
You look awake to me.
I do that, but no one. I'm going to say you always take a picture of.
I always take a picture of you?
Uh-huh.
That's because I always love you and want to remember every moment.
Do you take pictures of me forever?
Well, I hope they last forever. But this time I wasn't taking a picture. I'm videotaping you.
Oh.
So you can watch the video when we're done videotaping.
Oh.
I was videotaping you snoring because I didn't know if you were pretending or not, and it sounded like you were pretending.
Mm-hmm.
And I heard it all the way from the living room, and it was really weird. And then when I saw what it was, I was like, you know what? I need to get the video camera and videotape this. This is really weird. And then all of a sudden, you opened your eyes and looked up, and then I realized you really were faking it.
Oh. That's so sad.
That's what?
That's so sad.
Huh?
That's so sad.
That's what? I don't understand what.
That's so sad.
For sure?
Uh-huh.
That's for sure?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Well, I'm going to let you get back to sleep. You must have woken up in the middle of the night and decided to try to put yourself back to sleep by pretending to snore. What a good little imagination you have. Good night, Quinn.
Good night.